You ever had wheel bearings go bad in your car? Or you've got a noise that you're wondering what it is? Well, I'm in a BMW that has bad rear wheel bearings, and we're going to do a sound clip of just kind of what it sounds like. It's got like a low growling noise, kind of like when you put a baseball card in your bicycle spokes when you were a kid. So here we go. You'll start to hear it. It starts out kind of low and growling, and then as we get going faster, it really starts making some noise. So we're at about 20 miles an hour. It's low growl. I'm on a road that gets up to 60, so you'll really be able to hear it here in just a little bit. Here we go. That thing's really growling right now. It's almost annoying to drive because it's such a loud noise. You know, it'll give you a headache. So how do you determine which one it is? Well, first you want to try and listen to see if it's coming from the front or the rear. It's kind of easy to tell a front one because you're going to hear it in front of the motor. It's going to be sounding like it's coming from the front of the car. Whereas the rear tires, they're kind of parallel with the back seat. So now you can kind of put your ear back there and you can tell that this one's coming from the rear wheels. Then you have to determine which side it's coming from. Now on this vehicle, the bearings I can buy separately instead of buying a hub assembly that has a bearing installed. So I can just go ahead and buy the bearings and press bearings in, and I'm just going to do both sides because it's only $20 for a bearing, so $40 total. It'd be much better to just replace both of them, because if one went out, the other one's going to go out. So anyways, I hope this has been an interesting video and it's helped you out in your projects. Check us out in the future.